Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week, backed by popular demand, is the kitchen party at the YiTong Chinese restaurant and sky bar. Enjoy an evening of flavour, flair and fun with interactive live cooking stations, live entertainment by the Visards Jazz band, and unlimited signature dishes including dim sum, Peking duck and crispy pork. Priced at just 1,500 baht plus per person. That's from 7 till 10 p.m. on Saturday the 13th of September. This weekend is the International Tattoo Amazing Fest Pattaya 2025, a 2-day-long festival on Friday and Saturday, featuring top tattoo artists from over 27 countries around the world, live tattoo battles, competitions, and cultural performances. The venue is the Royal Garden Plaza shopping mall on Pattaya Beach Road. One for the ladies or men. Sunday we'll see the finals of the National Male Beauty and Personality Pageant. That's the Mr. Smart Beach Thailand competition. That's on the runway of the Terminal 21 shopping mall. Also over at the mall, explore Japan without even leaving Pattaya this week. Over at the Go Japan event on the ground floor, experience the vibrant Japanese culture, food and fun of Japan, all in one place. That's every day until the 21st of September. If you're into yoga, over at the Central Marina Outlet Mall is the Basic Yoga for Good Health. That's free of charge and on Wednesday, the 17th of September from 6 till 7 p.m. at the activity area on the second floor. If you fancy a game of pool, every Thursday is the Killer Pool Night at the Route 66 Tavern. That kicks off at 5 p.m. They also have some great promotions throughout the week. Sunday roast starting at just 199 baht. Every Monday is Ladies' Night with buy one get one free offers on the cocktails. And every Tuesday is Taco Tuesday. Your choice of 2 chicken or beef tacos for just 150 baht. Or if it's Indian you fancy, spice up your Saturday night at the Loft. Enjoy beef, chicken or lamb curry with all the trimmings for just 325 baht. That's at the Loft pub out by the lake. Or chill out and relax with live music and a buy one get one free happy hours special at the Brew and Bar at the Holiday Inn Hotel. They have live acoustic music every Thursday and Friday from 6:30 p.m. and Saturday from 7 p.m. with specials on the drinks every day between 5 and 7 and 9 and 11 p.m. For more information on these events or to find out what else is happening in and around the city ahead of time, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.